In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Drive to your computer's file system, making it accessible just like any other drive on your machine. This is a fantastic way to seamlessly manage your documents and backups directly from your desktop. Now let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to your web browser and navigate to the Google Drive download page. You can find it by going to workspace.google.com, products, download. This website hosts all the resources you'll need to integrate Google Drive with your file system efficiently. Once you're there, the next thing you'll want to do is click the button that says Download Drive for Desktop. This will start downloading the installer file you need to get things up and running. It's worth noting that the download should be pretty quick, but it can depend on your internet speed, so be patient if it takes a moment longer than expected. After the download has finished, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser typically saves files, and then run it by double clicking. This action will launch the installer program, and from here you'll follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process is generally straightforward, just a few clicks through the terms of service agreement and deciding where the application will be installed, so pretty standard stuff. During the installation you'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. It's important to use the account that you have associated with your Google Drive so that all your files are readily available once the setup is complete. If you don't have an account yet, it's probably a good idea to create one beforehand, since this is an essential step. Now, once you've finished with the setup and installation, Google Drive will be a functional part of your computer. It will automatically start running in the background from your system tray. You can access it anytime by looking for the Google Drive icon down there. Clicking this icon will bring up your Drive Manager, allowing you to make any adjustments or check your sync status. Additionally, you'll notice that Google Drive appears in your File Explorer as a new drive, usually labeled as Google Drive under this PC. This seamless integration lets you drag and drop files just like you would with any other folder, and everything gets synced to the cloud automatically. It's an incredibly handy feature that makes managing your files and accessing them from anywhere super convenient. And there you have it, a simple way to bring Google Drive directly into your everyday computing workflow. If you have any questions or run into issues, checking in with Google's support documentation can offer more detailed troubleshooting guidance. Happy organizing, and enjoy the ease of accessing your Google Drive files right from your desktop.